Hello everyone, I hope that you all are fit and fine, and let me tell you that I am completely fine as well. Sir, there is a friend of mine who tells me that he studies for 10 hours every day. Sir, I am having a cousin, she is preparing for CA final examinations and she tells me that she studies for 14 hours every single day. However, sir, when I am starting to prepare for my examinations, I am not even having a study output of 3 to 4 hours. Sir, why is this happening and how can I increase the number of hours of study during the day? This is the question that arises in the minds of most of the students who are preparing for their examinations. So to all those students, I would like to tell you, Kanna, first and foremost, stop comparing the number of hours that you study with other people because you cannot compare the number of hours of study. Because more than the number of hours of study, what matters is the output that you achieve in those hours. For example, if a student is able to study a chapter in 10 hours, okay, another student will be able to complete that same chapter in 2 to 3 hours itself. You can't compare this 10 hours with the 2 to 3 hours of another person. That is why stop the comparison, okay, and focus more on the output that is achieved during the study hours. Now, this being said, is it important to increase the number of hours of study? Answer is yes. Stop the comparison but focus more on yourself. How can you improve as much as you can? Okay. Now, from tomorrow itself, if you start studying for 10 to 15 hours in a day, okay, you might be able to achieve it for a day or two, but you can't continue with it because your body cannot handle the pressure and even your mind cannot handle the pressure of studying for so many hours in a single day. That is why what is more important is to be consistent with your preparation. Okay, so first and foremost, start with a routine. Today itself, take a sheet of paper and start writing your timetable. Even in that timetable, if you are having only 3 to 4 hours of study, okay, which you can comfortably do, not a problem at all, but try to be consistent with the 3 to 4 hours. Study for 3 to 4 hours every single day. And as the days goes by, you will realize that now you are getting used to it, and then slowly you can adapt to studying more hours during the day and start increasing your preparation time. Okay, this is the way to increase your number of hours of study rather than starting to put in more number of hours in the beginning itself. You will not be able to achieve it. I think maybe one or two people might be able to achieve it, but not everyone can achieve it in that fashion. Okay, so try to make a schedule and try to be consistent with it. And remember one thing, okay, it is no use of boasting your number of hours of study with another person. Okay, so if you are having 1 hour of study in which half an hour you are having just the book in your hand with the paper, but you are not actually studying but thinking about something else only, then there is no use. So forget about the number of hours, try to be as productive as possible during the day, which is most important. I think you would agree with my views. If at all you agree or disagree with my views, you can let me know in the comment section below. Like the video so this reaches more and more number of people, and subscribe this channel to get more updates. So see you in the next video dear. Till then, take care. Bye bye.